Okay, now the word problem helps. So I want you to make sure that you're reading these full on. Okay, coming up with your equations. Remember, a slope is what's happening over and over and over again. Okay, on this one, we're talking about a tower and a tree. Okay, so I want you to realize that you'll have two equations, and it talks about the vertical distance in meters. So that's going to be adding. So you'll add your two. So for the formula, write the formula in terms of AM plus BM. It's going to be AM plus BM. Okay, so then you'll actually find what that is by coming up with your AM plus BM and adding them and coming up with your equation. Okay, the substitute has the answer key if you want to check your work. Okay, on the next one, number 2, okay, it says, again, this one gives you the equations, okay, but this time it talks about her revenue, which is how much money she makes, and her expenses is how much money she's losing. So I want you to realize when it talks about how much money, how much she's profiting, you're going to actually subtract. So this is going to be R of sub n minus E sub, or E of n. Okay, now when you combine these, you can't simplify. So you're literally just writing the two equations together with a subtraction sign in the center. Okay, cannot simplify on this one. Okay, now lastly, a street vendor, okay, talks about selling coffee, and then it talks about how much it costs him to maintain his stand. So again, you have to come up with the two equations. They're pretty simple. Okay, and then let the total profit that the street vendor makes. Well, that's going to be subtracting again because it's how much he makes per cup, which is his R of X, and then how much it costs him a day. Okay, and so that's going to come up with his profit by taking away his cost from how much he makes. Okay, so that one as well. Now you can cross off number 4. All right, have a happy Friday.